Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link or connect Discord into Roblox. So if you have both a Roblox and Discord account and you want to link them into each other so you can easily level up your gaming experience, for example on Roblox, you can just follow these steps right here to link them. And first, what you need to do is just launch the Discord app on your phone or maybe on your browser or on your Discord app in the computer. And after you open Discord, you can just go to your profile. So click on this profile button at the bottom right corner, then go to the Discord settings by clicking on this gear icon at the top. Now you can just scroll down and under the account settings you'll find connections, so just tap on that. So there is no connections recently on my Discord. Now you can just tap on add at the top right corner, and in here you can just scroll down until you find the Roblox options. This one, Roblox, tap on that, and after you choose Roblox you'll be directed to this page. So you need to authorize Roblox into Discord. In here you can select account to continue to Discord. You can tap on continue. Okay, so this Discord is requesting access, so you can see the permissions in here, the read assets, and now you can here see the accounts. Select which accounts you want to grant above permissions. This one here, you can clap on select, and now there will be this your resources, the read inventory, read groups, your personal profile. So Discord will have all of this, the access to this informations in here. Now you can just tap on continue. Okay, it will explain again, and if you are confirmed you can just tap on confirm and give access. Now you'll be directing back into the Discord app. Now it will connect your Discord with Roblox. I don't know why it's failed to connect, but that was it. You can just try it again. I don't know why it's wrong with this. There was a problem connecting, so you can close this window and try again. Okay, so if you are facing also this problem, you can just close this first and then go back to your Discord and try to add the Roblox again by following the same steps. And so I think that's pretty much all. I hope this will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on thanks, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.